Day 4. Use of has have. For example, I have a car. I have written a letter. Have. First use for लीजिए. For example, have water, have hot tea. Second, pass है. Example, I have car, he has a bike. Now, in present, we use has have. For example, I have time. In past, we use had. For example, I had cycle. In future, we use will have. I will have English knowledge. Now, has use with he, she, it, name, and have use with I, you, we, they. Next, present practice. Positive sentence structure, subject plus has have plus object. For example, I have car, I have pen, I have notebook, they have a house, we have a laptop, he has house, she has a scooty, Ram has mind, she has balcony, he has fruit. Now negative and sentence structure, subject plus do does plus not plus have plus object. For example, he does not have car. Now I choose a sentence and convert into all forms. Now I practiced 20 sentences. Hindi to English translation. Next, past. Had. मेरे पास एक पेन थी. I had a pen. मेरे पास एक कार थी. We had a car. राहुल के पास एक पेंसिल थी. Rahul had a pencil. मेरे पास एक पेन नहीं थी. I did not have pen. Again, I choose a sentence and convert it all forms. हमारे पास सुविधाएं थी. We had facilities. We did not have facilities. Did we have facilities? Did we not have facilities? Why did we have facilities? Why did we not have facilities? After this, I practiced 18 sentences. Hindi to English translation. Next, future, will, and sentence structure, subject plus will have plus object. Example, मेरे पास मोबाइल होगा. I will have a mobile. He will have new clothes. Again, I choose 16 sentences and translate them into English. For example, I will have a video camera. My brother will have ball. The rabbit will not have radish. The mother will have a grinder and pestle. The time will be tough for doctors. Now, homework practice. I choose 60 Hindi sentences and translate them into English. Now, writing practice, and I choose a topic, why I want a job. And last one is speaking practice in front of mirror, and the topic is same, why I want a job. So friends, this is all about my day 4. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with day 5.